Hi friend, welcome to another video. Here you can see there are different old mobile phone chargers. We need one of these.
Let's open it.
Inside a circuit board with different electronic components, we need this ferrite transformer. Desoldering to remove this. Here you can see there are 6 pins with 3 different winding coils.
Select the resistance testing mode on your multimeter and measure the resistance between coils. On primary coil, 0.3 ohms of resistance. On auxiliary or feedback coil, 0.8 ohms of resistance. And on the secondary coil, there are 8.4 ohms of resistance. Now we need a tip, 41 CMPN transistor with base, collector, and emitter pins. Now follow the process. I will also put circuit diagram in the video. Here I am using 220 volts LED bulb for testing. Now the circuit is completed, and here is the circuit diagram. I am using 3.7 volts battery for input. As you can see, it's working properly. Now I will test frequency. Square waves are showing on the oscilloscope. Thanks for watching.